Hi everyone, this is Asneha. Thank you so much for coming here. And today we are talking about your eyes and that how you can take care about your eyes. What is the best that you can do with your care for your eyes? The best part is that you can actually love taking care of your eyes because these are the beautiful two part right and left eyes which has been taking care of you. Isn't it beautiful that you really astonish yourself to be with your own self? You can see yourself with these two eyes. So today I'm going to talk about your eyes. I recently discussed about your eyes, that how important they are. A person who really has feel what is the importance of the eyes can be a person who had got some issues with the eyes for a couple of days and couple of hours even, but that the moment when you're not been able to watch anything from these two eyes, you can actually feel how important these beautiful eyes are for you. I still remember I had been somewhere for some celebrations, as you must have seen me doing a lot of interactive programs with different organizations. So I had been visiting to some organization, and it was a blind school, and we were there with one of my partner, the business partner. She is supporting me for all my back end work. She is Mrs. Minocha, and we both had gone to that hostel, and I was really surprised. I just started meditation with them and I told them, close your eyes, and suddenly, you know what happened? I was like shocked listening that. They said, ma'am, we can't see anything. We have already closed our eyes. That was a sentence which touched me deep inside my heart. And I felt exactly, this is so true. हम लोग को वो जानकारी नहीं है जो वो लोग महसूस करते हैं जिनके पास आंखें नहीं होती. हमारे पास जो चीज़ें हैं हम उसके लिए ग्रेटफुल भी नहीं होते, हम उसके लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड भी नहीं रखते. दैट्स वॉट वी नीड टू लर्न, दैट हाउ वी नीड टू बी grateful and keep ourselves full of gratitude. Keep on saying to God, thank you that I have my eyes to watch. And trust me, that was the day I really felt that yes, we are the blessed souls, we are the blessed people that we can at least watch. And I think that that hostel has somewhere around 50 or 42 students. They like grown up people, and they were staying there. They didn't have the family has left them over there, and they used to go different house and collect some contribution, and they used to study. They used to study the language of blind language and then used to work. So why I'm sharing this is showing that we must take care of our eyes, and we are really blessed. At least start speaking, thank you so much that I have eyes. Thank you so much for being here in my life. You must say thanks to them. Isn't it? I if I'm right, if you agree with me, please write agree. And I really appreciate if you can spare some moment and comment here that does it touch your heart, because I got touched that day. And it was holy, and I was doing some celebration. We were eating something, but they couldn't see the color. They said, ma'am, we have only the black color which we can have and we can see. So guys, today I'm talking about your eyes. Just the early morning when you get up, just take little bit of your first, this हम लार बोलते हैं हिंदी में, so just take it and put it, apply it here like this, the way I just did. Just take it, the first thing, without even drinking water. That will be the fresh one. If you have pimples, like I had this pimple, so I used to take little bit and used to apply here. So this is the best medicine for your skin, even for your eyes. You know, I had a client who was saying that there is a small this thing come up, eyes, they have a problem which just come up. So what he did is, I told him, just apply early morning split in the morning. Early morning, you know, it should not be like after drinking water. No, just before everything, just take it and put it, and then see. Trust me, if you will do it, you will see the difference in your eyesight, right? And what else you can do? After drinking water, after, you know, taking all your morning teas and whatever, just go bring some water, you know, half glass of water, put it in the mouth like this, and then fill it in the mouth, and then wash. You know, you just need to take water and then wash it. I'll do a live about it and I'll show you later, you know, in going to my washroom, and I'll just show you that how exactly you need to do it. Just do it 5 times or 10 times every day. Make a ritual, you know, religiously follow that if you really love your eyes. And I've shared you the story, and it is not just a story, it is my own life experience. You know, people who do not have eyes, they can understand the value of eyes. And of course, those who have been using spectacles, they can also understand the usage to take care of your eyes, right? So as I told you at that day as well, I'll explain you again. I'm taking a pen, and here, this is my thumb. If you can all see, just let me know. You just need to mark here, and you need to mark here. These are your two eyes. So what you need to do is, you just need to press here. Just press, move, press, move, press, move, then press, move, press, move, press, move. Do it 20-30 times, you know, like you're sitting and you pressing, you moving, you pressing. It will help you to find out that how importantly these acupressure point can give strength to your eyes, right? So let's repeat once again. What are the exercises for our eyes we need to do? Just roll your eyes, right? Just up, sideways, down, sideways, up. So we'll do 20 rounds, right? Can we do together? Just write me a comment if you really liking it. Up, sides, up, sides, up, sides. Just tell yourself, my eyes are amazing. My eyes are amazing. My eyes are amazing. Then anti-clock, my eyes are amazing. 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 And relax. Close your eyes, relax. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, breathe in. Hold, breathe out. One more time, breathe in. Hold, breathe out. Relax yourself and let your eyes speak to you. Keep yourself in silence for a while. And whatever sounds comes, just feel it. Say thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just keep acknowledge. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so thankful to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And open your eyes, right? So what we need to do is, we just need to press all the points. These all are the points of your eyes. So what you need to do is just press it, you know. Just keep pressing it. And thank you so much for liking it. Hello Ramanji. Thank you so much for coming and liking the program. You know, me alone, I cannot do anything. If I'm sharing the edutainment to you and you liking it, then only it is purposeful. आप लोग अगर पसंद नहीं करेंगे तो फिर मुझे कुछ इसमें से नहीं है. आपको पता है मैं अपना समय लगा रही हूँ और आपके इस्तेमाल की चीज़ बता रही हूँ. So just use it and I'm sure you'll love it. Just hold it and press it. Hold it and press it. Hold it and press it. hold it and press it, hold it and press it. Do it same way, hold it here and press it, because these are the points which is your eye points, right? So just hold it and press it, hold it and press it, hold it and press it. Amazing. Thank you so much, Umesh ji. Thank you so much, Manish, for appreciating. I really need your appreciation and your commitment to come and see and use it. Usage is more important. Please share it with your timeline, with your friends and family, so that they can use it. So just do this. Hold it tightly and allow it to release. Hold it tightly and allow it. Hold it tightly. If you cannot go even for an exercise, just do it. Just keep doing this pressing. Why I'm telling you all this is, it will actually help you to heal the whole body. Just keep doing with me. Just right now do it with me. If you can click a picture, just send it and post it in the comment. That will be really a blessing for me. Look, how am I doing? I'm stretching it at heart, Look, how am I stretching it? How am I stretching it? You just need to stretch it that way. You need to just stretch it that way. Yeah? The more harder you press, the more convenient you will be with your body, right? Just press it tight, very tight. Then breathe in and breathe out. If you have this exercise every day for 10 to 15 minutes, just keep pressing. What am I doing? I'm just holding it here and pressing it hard. I'm just pressing it hard. Just pressing it hard. Just keep pressing it. I'm sure you'll love it, and it will actually give you strength for your own self. Right? So after this, I was just interested to tell you that you just need to drink Amla ka pani, or you can have some green vegetable. In green vegetable, you can either take karele ka juice, or you can even use dhania ka juice. धनिया वाटर अगर आप लेंगे तो उसको मिक्सी में पानी डाल के उसको मिक्सी में अच्छे से ग्राइंड कर लीजिए. That's it, and drink it. अगर आप उसे खाली पेट लेते हैं, that will help you for your cleaning of your stomach as well, and of course to give you a lot of vitamins A, right? So how was the video? How did you like it? And what was the best in it that you loved it? So just comment it so that I can get energy and make the new video for you all. And this is Asnya. Keep appreciating, keep loving, keep spreading the knowledge. End of the day, it's only a knowledge who can transform the society. End of the day, this is only knowledge which can create love and spread happiness. If you agree with me, just tell yourself, I love myself, I love my eyes, I love being truly I am. Hi Ujjwal, hi Manish Kumar ji, how are you guys doing? I'm sure you must be doing amazing. If anybody is interested to come online on the camera, let me know. Yes, this is my sweetheart who just entered and went off. So he's my son. I'll share a story with him. Yes, sometime you have knowledge with you, you can actually create the need. Whenever you have the need, you can add on your knowledge there and complete that need for your own self. I remember my son was young and he had fallen from the staircase and he got a mark here. It got cut from here. Everyone was telling me that, ma'am, you need to go and take him to the hospital to get the stitches done. And being a healer, being a Reiki grandmaster, I knew how to heal it. With all the divine grace, I just helped him out with a small paper tape. I picked this layer and just touched it with the upper layer and put only a betadine and pasted with the Dr. tape. After that, I was just healing. I was just doing the aura cleaning of this area. I was just making sure that I'm healing it completely. I was asking him to keep chanting, I love my eyes, I love my eyebrows, I love my eyes. and I think within five days it got completely healed, and the mark is still there, but we did not get the stitches done. So, you know, we have everything to heal our own self. We are natural healers on our own. But that depends that do you have that faith to work with it? Do you have that faith that your eyes should come back? Like if you have some spectacle and miracle your eyes come back. If you really want that, you can even connect me on my personal window and let's heal our eyes, right? So this is Asneha. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I just got you. I just found a message stating that you did not do the meditation of your singing ball. So close your eyes. This is coming for you. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. And just keep telling your eyes, I love you. 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 I love you, my darling eyes. I love you, my eyes. You are the ocean. I love you. I love you. And just relax. Thank you so much for watching. Keep repeating this video, keep watching it again, and take the important points, share it with your family and share it with your friends. If you've not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. Thank you so much. Enjoy.